Hey everyone, in this video we're going to make a custom roof dormer. So to do that, it's fairly straightforward. First you want to have your roof created, and if you don't know how to do that, check out one of my earlier videos. But once it's made, go ahead and double click on it so that you can see the purple line cross section, and I want you to switch over to a top view so that you'll be able to clearly see this line. I do recommend working on wireframe mode because it is easier to see. And what I'd like you to do is use the split tool right over here, split element, and wherever you want the center of that dormer to be, to click on it, and it's going to create a cut right there. And then press escape a few times, click on the pink line, and you're going to essentially retract it back to create an opening for that wall dormer. So it's going to look something like that. Okay, now you've probably had defined slopes on or off, but regardless, click on the line tool. Make sure that define slope is off so that this is going to be a straight wall section, and you're going to draw it in, let's say an equivalent amount from both sides. So I'm going to draw in a 5-foot section on this side, and then I'm also going to draw in a 5-foot section on the other. I'm actually going to push this one back so that I actually have 5 feet from there. Okay, and once that's connected, just go ahead and reconnect everything. So it's going to look something like that. With that in place, we are going to have to lift the slope of these two lines so that it actually makes sense. So there's an option here called slope arrow. Click on that, and with that selected, what I would like you to do is go over to the first line and click on it, and I want you to drag the slope arrow, the total of the length of the dormer, click over there, and where it says specify height at tail, I want you to switch that over to slope. And what that's going to do is it's going to match the slope of your roof. If you have that specified, click apply if it asks, and then go and do that with the other section. So click at that endpoint, go into the center, and then make sure, once again, it is specified at the slope of the roof. Once you've hit apply and click OK, if you did it correctly and you take a look at your 3D view, you should have a dormer in place. And I'm going to switch over to shaded so you can see that better. Okay? And if you want it to fit in place with your wall, you can also just go attach top to base and select that, and it will fill it in. Okay, so that's one style of dormer, and if you want to check out the other style, head over to part 2. Peace.